So, good evening everyone. Good evening to you, sir. The topic that I will discuss is all about the table tennis. Okay, what is table tennis? Table tennis is also known as a ping pong and wiff-waff. It's a sport in which two or four players hit a lightweight ball, and also known as the ping pong ball, back and forth across a table using small, solid rackets. The game takes place on a hard table divided by a net. As you can see, naay duha ka tao diri which is nagadula siya. Kanang table is mao na siya ginadulaan nila, tapos sa table is naay net which is mao na maga-divide para sa side A or side B. Okay, history. In 1926, table tennis was founded by this year and governed by International Table Tennis Federation or ITTF. In 1988, table tennis has been an Olympic sport since 1988, and a team event has been played instead of the doubles in 2008. And in 1901, the name of ping pong was wide used before British manufacturer J. Jacques and Son Ltd. In 1902, an official world champion was held. And also 1910, Table Tennis Association and Ping Pong Association existed. And also the 1920 enforced its trademark for the term table tennis. James W. Gibb discovered novelty celluloid balls on a trip to the US. Next. And also 1926, London hosted the first official World Championships in 2000, i.e. 1926. And also 1930, Edgar Snow commented in Red Star over China that communists that forces in the Chinese Civil War had a passion for English game of table tennis, which he found bizarre. In 1933, the United States Table Tennis Association, and now called in USA Table Tennis, was formed. And also 1950, paddles that use a rubber sheet combined with an underlying sponge layer changed the game dramatically, introducing greater spin and speed. Okay, what is ping pong? Ping pong is sound of produced when the table tennis ball bounce and strike by the bat or racket or paddle or back and forth. As you can see, naadra ay duha ka pictures na color orange and white. Mano siya ginatawag na ping pong. 2000, first the older 38mm or 1.50 inches balls were officially replaced by 40mm or 1.57 inches balls. And 2001, a 21 point to an 11 point scoring system. 2001 daw, ang scoring system dati is the 21 points to an 11 points. In 2002, the ball must host a minimum of 16 centimeters or 6.3 inches in the air. The International Table Tennis Federation states that all events after July 14 are played with a new poly material ball. Okay. Okay, mo ano siya explanation about sa table, isa katong ping pong. The international rules specify that the game is played with a sphere having a mass of 2.7 grams or 0.09 oz and a diameter of 40 millimeters or 1.57 inches. The rule says that the ball shall bounce up to 24 to 26 centimeter or 9.4 or to 10.2 inches when dropped from a height of 30.5 centimeter or 12 inches into a standard steel block, thereby having a coefficient of restitution of 0.89 to 0.92. The 40mm ball was introduced after the end of the 2000 Summer Olympics, and previously a 38mm ball was started. Okay, so as you can see these pictures, small ni siya ang sizes sa kadakon, sa katason, sa table na ilahang ginadulaan. Height is 76 cm, Net overhang is 15.25 centimeter. Ang height is 1.2.5 centimeter and ang length is 274 centimeter and ang net height is 15.25 centimeter. Okay. The table is 2.74 meter or 9.0 foot long and or 1.525 meter or 5 foot wide and the 76 centimeter to or 2.5 foot high with any continuous material so long as the table yields a uniform bounce of about 23 centimeter or 9.1 inches. When a standard ball is dropped into from a height of 30 centimeter or 11.8 inches or about naka siya sa 77%. The table or playing surface is the uniformly dark colored and matte which is divided two halves by a net at 15.25 centimeter or 6.0 inches in height. Or the International Table Tennis Federation approves only wooden tables after derivatives. Concrete, the tables with a steel net or a solid concrete partition are sometimes available in outside public spaces such as parks. Okay. Equipment like racket, paddle, and bat. A table tennis racket is also known as a paddle or a bat is used by a table tennis players. Sa USA, ginatawag na siya og paddle pero while sa Europeans and Asians, mo na ginatawag nilang bat and the official ITT or International Table Tennis Federation term is racket jud. The wooden portion of the racket, or often referred as the blade, commonly features anywhere between 1 and 7 plywoods through cork, glass fiber, carbon fiber, aluminum fiber, and silver or sometimes used. According to ITTF regulations, at least 85% of the blade by thickness shall be natural wood, and common wood types include balsa, limba, and cypress or hinoki. Hinoki, which is popular in Japan. The average size of the blade is about 17 centimeters or 6.7 inches long and 15 centimeters or 5.9 inches wide. Although the official restriction only focus on the flatness and rigidity of the blade itself, these dimensions are optimal for most play styles. Okay, next quarter.